Hello and welcome back to Jetman Pay. So if you got to this point, then you already a registered user and probably you made some payments. I'm going to demonstrate today how to use the web administrator page, and it's the one right here on the top, https gopayonline.co 8443/webadmin. I'm going to paste the link below. And the main usage for this website is so you can take full control of all your transactions that you do as a client. So after we put our username and our password, it's very important that we click on this icon right here that says client user, and then we're going to log in. So it tells us to welcome to our page, and as you can see, we can have access to all our payments. If I hit the payments bar, I'm going to see that last payment that you guys saw in the last video for $500, which was a test for video on a tail number, this and that. So out of this payment page, we can generate a report of the day. Notice that the hours shown are local here, but when we hit the report, we're going to show the UTC or Zulu time. So if I go ahead and click today, I'm going to go see a report on PDF, which is going to give me the information of the company, and it's going to tell us from which date to which date is the report and all the information. Notice that it gives you the amount after the commission, which merchant it was done from, give us as a receipt, a close date, a tail number, the bill reference, and the status of that transaction. Or we could just generate a report from one date, January 1st to January 15, and since we only have one transaction, it's going to give us the same thing. So basically on this payment tab, you guys are able to see all your payments and you can generate your reports so you can feel more comfortable when using Jetman Pay. If we hit the virtual card tab, we're going to see our virtual card. We're going to see our first name, our last name, and the username that you used. And here's our virtual card number. Remember that everyone that signs in gets assigned automatically a virtual card. So I gave it a balance of $1,500 and made that $500. So if I click here, I'm going to see my ID, my balance, my current balance, and I'm going to see first I have a plus here for $1,500 made on January 14, a deposit, and then I made a payment from this merchant for a certain amount. So basically, it's very simple to use, only two tabs. This is basically for control and audit of every transaction that you want to have. As you can say again, you received already by email your receipt number, and you should have your original invoice for the service that you enjoyed. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you guys soon. Stay tuned on our channel for more information about Jetman Pay.